Good afternoon. My name is Carlos Andrés Castillo Perez. I am a person passionate about sports and am currently working in a company that sells cleaning and disinfection products. I am 28 years old. I am a year old and I was born in Italy, Antioquia. Now I am a student of post engineering program of the Schools of Basic Sciences, Technology and Engineering in the UNAP. I like it hard love of exercise, go out, do share with my friends and sleep. I live with my mom and my brother. I single and have three pets. I hope we can make a great team. Travel experience, vacations. My travel experience was very enriching. Visit Santa Marta, a coastal city with a warm climate, perfect to visit with people like me who live in a cool climate. The transport is done by plan and by there in moving in taxi and buses. Stay at the Rodadero, a place that is considered one of the major attractions of the city, along with other tourist destinations that it was mentioned later. And stay was approximately 15 days in which I had the opportunity to know several attractions that have this beautiful tourist destination and enjoy delicious dishes characteristic of the area. Recommendations of what does not in the city. 1. You can go to cultural space such as the aquarium and the museum. 2. Visit the anthropological and ethnological museums. 3. Excursion to the last site, the Tayrona Natural Park, and the feet of San Pedro Alejandrino. 4. Go to places of interest such as the Wyden Park, the promenade, the Cathedral of Santa Marta, and the Church of San Francisco de Asís. 5. Go to the White Beach, the Crystal Beach, Nebusi Market, and the waterfalls of the Quebrada Valencia. Advice on what do or not do. 1. We should try to bring fresh clothes, shorts, shirts, flip-flops, and hat or cap. 2. It is essential to be hydrated all the time with water that you buy in a supermarket. 3. It is advisable to apply sunscreen on the skin and not expose it in the sun for a long time. 4. It is important to be with a guide when visiting the Natural Park Tayrona, dance,